Hello Charms, welcome to Charms Brigade. And our today's topic is oceans and continents. So in this lecture we will learn about the introduction of oceans and continents and about earth and why the earth looks in a blue color and how is ocean is different from ponds, lakes and seas, and how many oceans and continents are present in the world, and how equator is passes through how many oceans and how many continents. So if you talk about the earth, so the earth is one of the planet in our solar system. So here this is our solar system, and here our earth is one of the planet in our solar system. So we are having a total 8 planets. Earth is one of among one of the planet, and this solar system is a one of the star in this our galaxy. So here you may get the doubt, what is a galaxy? Galaxy is a collection of dust, gas and billions of stars and their solar system. So our solar system is one of the star from this galaxy. So and if you see the earth is looks in a blue color. So why? Because the most in out of 100% geographical area of the earth, the 79% of the area is covered with the water, and the remaining 21% is covered with the landforms. And in this landform, continents will be there and countries. So oceans. So here we can see the oceans. This is the world map, and here we can observe the we can count the number of oceans: the Pacific Ocean and Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean. So normally we will get the doubt how ocean is different from ponds, lakes and seas. So because the ocean is that depends on the uh, depth and size of the size depth and size. So it has depth in hundreds of kilometers, and its length and its size is thousands of kilometers. So now uh, in our world we are having the total 5 oceans, which are Pacific Ocean, here one, in the Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. So if you mark the direction to this world map, this will become the north, this is the east, this is the west, and here it is the south. So among these 5 oceans, which is the longest one? Which is the longest one? The largest one. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and the smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. By seeing this image only, you can able to judge which ocean is the largest one and which is the smallest one. So, and if you study about the continent, we are having the total how many continents? We are having a total 7 continents. Here, uh, if you mark the direction for this map, so this is the north, this is the east, this is the south, sorry, west, and this is the south. So here we are having 7 continents. Those are North America 1, South America 2, Africa 3, then Asia 4, Australia 5, Europe 6, and Antarctica is the 7. So here this line is called as equator line. Equator line. And this equator line is passes through which continents? The equator line is passes through here South America and this Africa and some islands of Asia. So the continents which are above the equator line are Europe and North America. The continent which is below the equator line is the Antarctica. And in this continent, which is the largest one? Asia is the largest continent. And which is the smallest one? Australia. Australia is the smallest one. Okay, clear till now? And which is the largest country in the world? The largest country is the largest country is Russia. This is the part of a Europe and Asia continent. Okay, and then which is the smallest one? The smallest country is the Vatican City. This is the part of a Europe continent. Clear? And see here, I will show you the one image where you can find the oceans and continents. So here first we will mark the oceans. So before that, if we mark the directions for this image, this world map picture, so this is the north, this is the east, and this is the west, and here we are having the south. Okay, clear? Now if we mark the oceans, here Pacific Ocean is the one, Pacific Ocean, and the Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean, and here Southern Ocean will be there. Clear? Now we will mark the continents. So first we will mark the, the equator line is passes from here, so this is in the north side, so this will be a North America, then South America, then here this is Africa, then this is the Australia, and here Asia will be there, and here is the Europe is there, and here this is the Antarctica. So if we count, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, means total 7 continents we are having. Now we will see on the world map. Now we will mark on the world map. So if you mark the first oceans, so here this is the one Pacific Ocean, but before that we will mark directions: north, east, and this is the west, this is the south. So oceans, the Pacific Ocean 1, then Atlantic Ocean 2, then here Arctic Ocean will be there 3, and here this is the Indian Ocean 4, and here Southern Ocean is there 5. Now we will mark the continents. So continents, we are having the total 7 continents now. So this is the South America 1, then this is the, sorry, this is the North America 1, and this is the South America 2, this is the Africa 3, and here Australia 4, then here this is the Asia 5, this is Europe 6, and here it is Antarctica 7. We are having total 7 continents and 5 oceans. So I think you learn something about the oceans and continents. Thanking you. We will meet in the next class.